Hello everyone, this is Unit 4, Lesson 1, and we're starting with a discussion. The topic of this unit is about the food which we eat, and as you can see here on this page, we have two parts actually one part with 9 questions and 3 images and a title. It's a discussion lesson, so let's just get started as soon as possible, finish this. Which of these meals do you choose? And there are two pictures here, A and B. Yeah, I know most of you will actually take A, will not necessarily take B, no matter how much you discuss. And some today are more aware of what food to eat in terms of healthy food, so they will actually choose B. But we're not opening a discussion up at this question whether why or not. It's just which one would you choose. And as of question 2, why did you choose A and B? Yeah, okay. Well, maybe choosing A because of the delicious flavor you get in your mouth after you eat it, and because of the attractive look that it looks like in advertisement when you watch somebody eating fried potato or as in French fries, or because of the grilled burger and so on. And it's absolutely not this image we're talking about. It's more of the glamorous image of a meal, the fast food meal. Element B, it's more of like what indicates healthy in terms of advertisement, but it's not necessarily always delicious or attractive, which is a role where advertisers can play in working this out. Question 3, which meal do you think is more balanced? Well, yeah, in terms of virtual lesson and just in class, I mean lesson in virtual reality, it's B, like it's more balanced. But maybe you can also have a quick fast food meal, and it's still balanced. It's up to the calories and how much amount you need and what are the contents of your meal. Question 4, which meal do you think is healthier? Well, it depends on the content. Maybe, for example, there's a chicken here, but the oil you've fried it with is just not healthy or probably old. And so it's going to be better to have a meal with a hamburger in it that's well fried or maybe well roasted or well grilled and so on. Question 5, is any of the food here bad for you? Yeah, actually, Coke is bad. It has been proven so far, as according to media articles, it's so bad to your health, but still drank by many people and not prevented by Ministry of Health around the world or any health organization. So not necessarily that it does actually harm your health, but always, everyone says, is an old saying, whatever you eat, get too much of is whatever you get to get, harmed by. And question 6, why? And why is it bad for you or not? Well, it could be bad because it could lower down level of your energy, and so you cannot really do a lot of jobs or do tasks during the day. And it can be bad for you because it doesn't like prevent diseases on a longer term, or doesn't help you keep fit in terms of the shape of your body and so on. Question 7, what kinds of food do our bodies need? Yeah, I'll pretend to be another student and say, well, there are 6 type of kind of elements in food that you really need for your body. Some are fruit, some are sugar, some are fats and dairy products and so on. I think everybody knows about the 6 elements, or what elements you need to have for your food. Let me just try to get it here for you on Google. Elements of healthy food. It's the old food of pyramid food, whatever, that does help you understand better about what you really need to eat. There's a nice infographic here that you can really make use of. Infographic with food and oopsie, it's not very clear, but as you can see here, there is this little tiny pyramid there. I can't zoom in. Okay, sorry. So let's just get back to the lesson. You can Google it out yourself. Question A. What do you think junk food means? Well, junk is just like a trash, but it's kind of different because you put trash in a bin in a basket, but as of junk, it's just a junk thrown somewhere, and that's the difference. And when a junk food, it's kind of the term that everybody use or is pretty much known to be used as of the food that is unnecessary, that's extra food, or people know it as the name as a non-healthy food, something that's not okay for you. So if you really want to define what's a junk food, it should be like the food that is thrown somewhere in an open area, or maybe that's an unnecessarily thrown. Sorry, it's not necessarily, so you could throw it somewhere, and probably it turns out to be fat in your body because it's the extra space of your body that is not put in the right bin or in the right position or place. Question 9, can you think of any examples of junk food? Yeah, I think they would just want you to say it's the fast food meal and so on. But if you really want to think of junk food, you need to think in terms of the food that causes you the extra junk in your body, which is the extra fat, the thing that is not going to help you not necessarily stay as a model fit, but rather as a healthy fit, as being satisfied of your what your body look like in terms of shape. And in terms of a health condition, it is the food that does not lower down the level of your energy, which prevents you from having a good level of resistance throughout the day, to keep doing what you want to do, and so on. Thank you very much for following. See you next lesson.